Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if your Rinnai Tankless water heater is beeping, you can try these troubleshooting methods that I'm about to show you in this video. So first off, you need to start with the main cause. You need to take a look at the controller or display panel on your Rinnai unit. You will usually see the error code over here along with the beeping. You need to note down that error code and refer to the manual or search it online. Each code points to a specific issue like ignition failure, overheating, or sensor problems. So fixing the exact error is going to stop that beeping. Now you need to also try the system reset. For that, you just have to first of all turn off the water heater using the power button. After that, wait for 30 to 60 seconds and then you need to turn it back on. This particular step is going to clear the temporary faults and it may stop the beeping if it was a minor glitch. After restarting, you can check if the error returns. If the beeping continues, you can inspect the basic operations. You just have to make sure that the water supply is turned on and there is a proper flow. You need to check that the gas supply valve is also open. Also ensure that the venting system is not blocked or restricted. The issues in these areas can trigger warning alerts and cause the unit to beep. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.